English Standard 10, Unit 3, Pre-Task. You must be the change that you want to see in the world. Do you know who said this? There are people in India who followed these words of Mahatma Gandhi and influenced the lives of many. Let's read about two such people who, with their small initiatives, changed the lives of many. Wastage of water is one of the most serious issues of the country today. But there is one man who decided to help people stop it by helping them single handedly. Therefore, he is also known as One Man NGO. The writer, artist, and cartoonist Abid Surti wages war against water wastage. Every Sunday, this national award winner walks around homes in Mumbai and fixes leaking taps to save every drop of water. Wonderful idea, isn't it? Abid said, "If I can, you can." Have you heard about the mother of orphans? Sindhumati Sapkal is a social worker who has adopted more than 1,000 orphan children so far. Her life started as being an unwanted child. Her husband abandoned her when she was 9 months pregnant. She had to be back on the streets to survive and realize about the condition of orphan children. Her circumstances forced her to lose courage and succumb to the adverse situation, but Sindhutai emerged stronger with every difficulty she faced. Today, she proudly says, for I am there for all those who have no one." The second most important topic about short note on Arun Krishnamurti and short note on EFI, so that you have to read the passage very carefully and understand the spellings. Arun Krishnamurti was just 70 years old when he was founded the NGO Environmentalist Foundation of India EFI, beginning with the Turtle Walk, a move to save turtle eggs and young hatchling in Chennai. Today, Arun and his team of volunteers have cleaned beaches and various water bodies of Chennai, Hyderabad, Delhi, Coimbatore, and Puducherry. The team cleans lakes, beaches, and zoos, plants trees, educate people through street plays, and also makes environmental friendly paper bags. Arun's team has students who joined him when they were in class 7 and continued to work with him even after 5 years. There was an interview with Arun Krishnamurti. Interviewer asked first questions to Arun Krishnamurti. Which experience as a child inspired you to take up the cause of the environment? What was your first activity? Arun replies, "A beautiful lake next to my house, which once had a lot of birds, frogs, and snakes, was heavily polluted. It led to the spread of mosquitoes and turned a lovely place into an ugly neighborhood. This hurt me badly and I wanted to do something about it. I got together with a couple of my friends and cleaned the pond next to my house, and this was the first activity." What kind of support did you get from your parents and teachers? Was there any conflict between study time and activism? I have supportive parents who understood that my interest was the environment, and they have never stopped me from doing what I want. On my part, I also made sure that I did not fail my parents in any way. I always informed them about everything that I did and took their advice before jumping into actions. I have teachers who taught me how to go about things. They also taught me humility so that I did not become snobbish or arrogant and start thinking I was a superstar because I was doing all this environment work. They taught me to be simple and keep learning all the time. I am not an activist. I am an environmentalist. I have learned so much by doing this work. How did your school and college further your interest? Both my school and college had plenty of green cover and both were home to several other life forms. This made me understand their importance, how beautiful they are, and why we need to protect them. These animals are on their own, find their own food, and are always active, on the move, and never lazy. It is so positive. We have a lot to learn from them. The second questions will be in part 2. Thank you.